Are you ready to witness power packed into the palm of your hand? Introducing the brand new Aoostar GEM12 Pro Mini PC, a compact beast that's redefining performance, design, and versatility in a size so small, it fits anywhere. Whether you're a creator, a developer, or just a tech enthusiast, this one's for you. At just 13 by 13 by 6 centimeters and weighing only 660 grams, the GEM12 Pro may be mini, but it delivers maximum performance. Don't be fooled by its size. This CNC-machined aluminum alloy chassis houses some serious firepower. Under the hood, it's powered by AMD's Ryzen 7 Pro 8845HS. 8 cores, 16 threads, Zen 4 architecture, and clock speeds of up to 5.1 GHz. This enterprise-grade CPU is paired with Radeon 780M graphics featuring RDNA 3 Tech and 12 GPU cores for smooth visuals, AV1 decoding, and up to 16 TOPS of AI compute performance. Need memory? You've got it. The GEM12 Pro supports up to a whopping 96 GB of DDR5 RAM at 5600 MHz. Plus it has dual PCIe 4.0x4 SSD slots for blazing fast storage and expansion options. Whether it's multitasking or loading large datasets, it doesn't flinch. Worried about thermals? Don't be. With a dual-fan vapor chamber cooling system enhanced by graphene VC material and performance tuning up to 70 watts via BIOS, you can choose between silent, balanced, or performance modes, fine-tuning your setup like a pro. Connectivity? It's next level. You get 2 USB 4 ports with 40 Gbps speeds, DisplayPort output, and PD fast charging up to 100 watts. Add in HDMI 2.1, DP 1.4, and support for 4K displays at 120Hz, and you're looking at a serious workstation in disguise. Oh, and let's not forget the dual 2.5 GB Ethernet ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, all powered by Intel's i226V controller. Security? Covered. The fingerprint scanner supports Windows Hello for instant password-free login. And here's the coolest part. A built-in customizable display right on the top. With Aoostar's Fan 2.0 software, it can show real-time system stats, clocks, even personal photos. All this, starting at just 2,199 yuan, or around $304 USD. That's insane value for a device that blends performance, portability, and premium features into a single, sleek unit. So, whether you're editing 4K videos, coding AI models, or just want a clean, ultra-compact setup, the Aoostar GEM12 Pro has your back. Tell us in the comments, what would you use this mini powerhouse for? Like this video if you love cutting-edge tech, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next big thing in mini PCs. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.